right, so if we could come over to Kevin's corner.
Oh, that's so cool! Whoa. Oh, engineer, can we have chat back so we can see their reaction? I'm hoping it's just filled with just like, whoa, and that's so cool.
And also, it comes with
a doubloon.
A doubloon and a stand.
Oh.
I don't quite know how the stand works, but it's here.
Hey, do you want to stab time? We all do. Well, good news. With this time knife, you can do that.
So it's super cool looking. Can we get closer in on some of this detail?
Enhance.
Wait for it.
Enhance. Enhance.
Yeah, keep going.
Enhance. Enhance. You want to recenter that slightly?
Okay.
Oh, we keep going on this.
This looks
Enhance.
great. Yeah.
Enhance. This looks a lot like Johnny's eye right
Woo,
now.
Look at this.
Enhance.
Oh, wow. That
Perfect.
looks great. Oh, wow. Wow.
Okay.
Wow. We got. Jeez. Wow. Look, we've gotten down. Oh, good Lord. Oh, God. No. Ah!
We found the goose.
We enhanced too far.
Sorry, the honk was an accident.
Really? The honk was perfect. Oh, the honk was so good.
Oh